Hey there, it's Judy from Created Just For You Designs. I'm sitting here wondering, are you like me in the fact that I've got tons and tons and tons of scraps left from paper crafting projects I've done? And I don't know why, but I seem to hold on to all these little tiny pieces like this here. I'm thinking, man, that might come in handy on another little project I'm going to work on, and just can't seem to throw them away. So I thought today I'd try and put all of these scraps to use. And I'm going to use them in conjunction with these paper clips here, because I've got a ton of these just laying around. And I'm going to make some little embellishments that I thought would be fun and cute to add to a quick card, planner pages, to mark on, like clips for planner pages, clips for journaling, things like that. And I thought maybe I'll try and make one for each month of the year. That would be fun with, a different theme for each month. And they would look, something similar to this here. I just kind of put this together as a little prototype, and I kind of had fun doing it. So I've got a lot of dies that are smaller in size that I think will work great for some of these. So let's get started. Okay, so I've got some bits and pieces here to get my first 6 little embellishment clips put together. And so what I've done is I've basically taken a little tag die cut or a tag punch, and what I'm going to do is I'll be folding this over and slipping it in this way over the clip, and then I'll glue that down, and then I'll start adding all my little bits and pieces here. I've got a bunch of little die cuts for the various themes that I'll be doing. And then on some of these, I'm thinking I'm going to add a little bow like this, some little ribbons, or maybe some little buttons or something, just to add a little extra. So I'm going to go ahead and get some of these started, and then when I've got them done, then I'll be back and show you what how it's coming along. Okay, so here I've got my first 3 done. This one here is a winter theme, so that would work good for the month of January. I've got this one, I think came out pretty cute for March, St. Patrick's Day. And then I did this one with the little flower and the bees. I guess good for springtime. There they are, those 3. And then I've got the makings here for 3 more, so we'll see how far I get, and I'll be back with those. Okay, so I'm making a little bit of progress here. I've got 2 more done. One would be good for July, and then this one for like September in the fall. And then I've got the makings of another one here that I thought I would put together on camera here. So I've got my little tag die cut. And the reason I'm using these tags is, you could do just plain little rectangles or whatever shape you'd like to use, but I'm just doing this because it's easy to die cut them, and then just score the top here so I can fold this back over the paper clip. So let's see, I've got some die cuts here, and then I've got some little punched out hearts, and then I've got some ribbon, and I've got a little piece of twine because I want to do like a little banner with these little punched hearts, but we'll see what happens here if I can get this all together. Let's see, I've got some red line tape here because first thing I'm going to do is trying to attach this twine here. And I'm just going to do that by bringing it back here. Bringing it to the back here where it'll be covered up with this little flap that I made. So I'm going to take a little piece of this red line tape. Something on it there, but that's all right. And I'm just going to run that, let's see, cover that piece of twine up there. Let's see, because it'll pretty much be covered with that little flap. And then we'll bring the other side over. I'll try to leave enough just to make a little bit of a curve there for when I attach those hearts. And then I'll cut another piece of this red line tape. Another little piece. And fold that over and stick it that way. And then we've got that kind of like that. Not perfect, but that's okay because I'm going to glue my heart down and it should be good. All right, so I'm going to take the paper clip. I want to do it this way with this long side here. That's what we're going to fold our little tab from the tag on, like that. Tear our red line tape backing off. Let's see, easier said than done? No. And fold that there. I'm going to take a bone folder here and just make sure that it adheres good. There we go. All right. And then I've got this heart that I cut out twice, and I think I'm just gonna do that there. So I'm gonna take some glue and glue that together. Oops. Hopefully not make too big of a mess. Put that there. I'm gonna put that like that. So I'll put a little more glue here. Try to get it even. There we go. All right. Let's see. I die cut this a little love, so I thought I would put that like that. So add a little glue to that. Try to add just little spots so we don't make too big of a mess. There we go. Oops. All right. I am making a mess, but it'll dry. There we go. Got another die cut heart here. I thought I would just add here. And I think what I'm going to do with that is add a little piece of foam tape. Just a little piece. Just to give it a little bit of dimension. Let's see if it's going to work on there. Okay. Stick it like that. That looks good. Alrighty. Then we're going to take our little punch tarts and I'm going to put one up here. So I don't know, we'll see how this works out. I'm going to put hold it here just a little bit. I'm going to put one over here. I'm going to bring that up a little bit. Hush. Sorry, my dog's back here wanting to whine. Just a minute. Oh. Whoops. A big glob of glue there. But, okay. Oop. Okay, that's not good. Sorry about that. Things never go the way you want them to. Alright. And a little dab of glue near the center here. See if we can get this one on there. Oh. There we go. Like that. Well, that glue will dry clear, so I'm not too concerned about that. And then I've got some red ribbon here. I thought I would try and just make a little bow over here. I thought that would be cute, just to add a little bit more. And I like this ribbon because it's wired, so it's real easy to tie and shape. So we'll just make, whoops, a loop here. Bring that over. There we go. And then we'll do some adjusting on here before I cut it. A little bit. Okay. Cut that like that. Cut this like that. And there we go. Of course, it'll look better once I get this glue dry. You can still see it's white right now, but that's all right. It'll dry clear. It won't show that much, so it should be fine. There we go. Okay, so I have the makings for my last 6 little tags here. So I've got some die cuts, and I ended up doing some stamping for a couple of them. So I'm going to be doing some coloring on, at least on this, and on these things here. So when I get those all together, then I'll come back and we'll see the end results. All right. Just wanted to show you the complete set here. I'll go through them one by one. For January, I've got this one. I've got some pine trees and some snowflakes. For February, we've got this. It's kind of Valentine themed with the hearts and the love and the traditional Valentine colors for February. Then for March, we've got our little leprechaun and shamrock. For April, we've got some pretty tulips and a butterfly. For May, I did a mermaid for Mermaid. Get it? June, I did a little tropical themed one. For July, we got a red, white, and blue. August, got some fall leaves for September. Got a black cat and a bat for October, Halloween. Got a fun little turkey here for Thanksgiving, November. And then we've got a little poinsettia here for December. So there you go, the whole set. I appreciate you stopping by and checking these out. I had a lot of fun putting these together. I hope you give some of these a try. And I'm going to let you go for now, and we'll see you next time. Bye.